Hey, what's up guys, this is Albi here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to take the mirror off from the Ferrari F8 Spider 2022. If you need help with removing the door panel off, I have the video. Just go on my channel and you'll find the video from the door panel off. So first thing that you have to do after you take the door panel off, you have to take these screws off, which is torque T20. You take all 4 of those off so you can reach your hand taking the screws of the mirror off. All right, so after you take the speaker off, you have the wire which is connected there. You just unclip that, and then after that you have those 3 screws that you can see right here, 3 of them, which is 10 mil, and that should be it. So after you take those screws off and you unclip that wire, you just pull this outside and that should be it. The mirrors is off.